What I want to point out, before I start to show you the unboxing moments, which is I have it right over there, okay, right, is I feel that I am very grateful, to a shout out to the founder, Mrs. Sandy Tillotson, and um, the rest of the founders, for their vision, for their relentless effort and sincerity in in overcoming so much obstacles and challenges along the way, okay, to arrive here, so that people, a junior like myself, can benefit from it. Not just about building the business, making extra sources of income, and however, it's very long term. It's an asset building that I am very attracted to. Asset income, asset kind of income that I am very attracted to. And most important of all, in 2020, right, with the all this craziness about the health crisis, right, so it has brought us so much of I would say turbulence time, right, especially in the economy, right. However, such a brand, why I am grateful about is that I believe, most businesses, including this brand, okay, suffered economically. I suppose there is a dip in the revenues. Even maybe the share price has come down. It affects overall. So, however, they still continue to show us that kind of appreciation in helping to build the brand worldwide, right? In showing us, giving us such wonderful gifts, which I'm going to show you shortly. So that's why I want to make this special by having an unboxing moment video to show any one of you, especially my audience and followers on this page, right, on my Facebook page, that if you are looking at something long term, reliable, trustworthy, good wholesome image, till today's beginning in 1984, right? So perhaps this could be one of the options you can consider in adding on to your income portfolio as one of it, okay. Whether you want to do it in a part-time, like gig thing, or you want to do it full-time, right? This is a great option for you to of course, do your due diligence, go and do your fact finding about the brand. Don't just base on my encouragement. Do your due diligence, okay. I believe you'll discover a lot of amazing facts about it, which will definitely serve you in your decision making about choosing such a brand as to become their as an independent affiliate, okay. So now I'm going to retrieve my my box of gifts, okay. Well, I have done that one unboxing video earlier on, similar in the yesterday's evening. I'm doing this one for my business page, because this business page is dedicated to market and promote the goodness about the wellness products, the amazing technology and science about the product, and of course the business opportunities about the brand, okay. So here we are. Let me show you, okay. I already heard about it, and then before this gift arrived, so I was very excited when I see that arrive when the courier sent over. So I'm just going to bring up this phone, okay, to show you, better, okay. That's the layer one of the gifts, okay. We got some designer looking mask, okay. So what's most important, okay, discover the best you as a reminder for us, right? Say that the we got we earn that kind of income is because of the byproduct of being a force for good. That is the culture of that brand, and that is something so aligned with my values, And we have this amazing looking designer piece of gold notebook. See, there's even a clip here to bind this, to close up this book. Okay, let's look at the layer 2 of the box of gifts. Okay, so this is see, it's 20th anniversary. Yes, this is not the first time I received such wonderful gifts. There's one time whereby the brand rewarded me with a GoPro action camera, the basic model. After I have qualified for something through my genuine effort in helping to market the products and the services. Okay, so let me put this aside. What do I have? What else? Okay, I'm using coincidentally I'm using a smartphone, the latest smartphone from Xiaomi, Xiaomi brand, and this is a Xiaomi power bank, 10,000 milliamp hour kind of power bank. I can charge up to 2.5 smartphones, and tablets. So amazing, right? So coincident. It's the same brand as I'm so delighted that I received this. I'm a gadget fan. And at the same time, you see this beautiful water bottle flask, thermal flask. Quality, good quality. Okay, see. So I'm gonna get myself some good quality tea leaves. Maybe a TWG, which is a luxurious brand for tea leaves. Okay, there's another one. See, amazing. So I just want to. Okay, amazing. Okay, I'm gonna not going to I'm gonna just conceal the brand here. I'm going to show you so much because I'm not overly in promoting about like you joining me in my team, right? As together with me as also an affiliate. No, I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to share with you my joy, and also demonstrating to you real appreciation from this kind of partnerships, and I really appreciate they are leading by actions, not just by words. In a times whereby there is a lot of uncertainty, yet they are willing to show us through their sound financial resources, showering us and pampering us with this kind of gifts, right? Which is most company cannot do that, right? Can't do that, and they may choose even not to save themselves. Okay, right? So this is something I am I can't stop saying that I am very grateful about, on top of building a long-term assets, with the brand and making good income with of course genuine effort. Nothing is free. This is not a get rich quick scheme, I wish to emphasize. Okay, and of course there's a earning disclaimer. We don't guarantee anything or whatever. However, but I do know one thing that is definitely true, is that when we put in genuine effort to learn and actually work on it, and diligently improving ourselves, right? In mastering our skills, especially in the business context, right? and really living true to the mission statement of the brand, which is a force for good culture, right? We definitely will make the income as that is a promise. That is a promise. Okay, and we have freedom of choice, like however how much you wish to make for yourself. It's definitely equivalent to the effort that you are about to put in. Okay, right? So I hope this unboxing video that I made for you to share my joy, and also at the same time my appreciation to the brand. Okay, it's help to give you a new understanding, new look, as considering as this as one of the option for you to add on to your additional or extra or multiple streams of income portfolio. Okay, all right. So I hope I have chosen my words carefully in the context of about the income, because this brand, this company also, it's part of the what they advocate, that we must be mindful, especially in the context about sharing about things that are financially inclined. Yeah, so we should not exaggerate and or show off that kind of stuff, and which is totally aligned with the force for good culture, isn't it? Right? Okay, so I hope I represented myself well here, in mentioning in that context, and in a mindful way, in a reasonable way to you. Okay, and I sincerely wish that everything will be well for you. Stay safe and stay healthy always. And if you want to find really quality health products, right, then do consider looking in this brand. Okay, in this brand, because it's really heavily science based and science proven and backed up kind of products. Okay, and not just like what you've seen or experienced with a lot of brands out there, which is just a marketing hype. But this brand, genuinely, okay, sincerely, okay, totally aligned with their force for good culture in producing really science proven and science based, heavily science backed up kind of products to help us to improve and maintain our well-being, from the head to toe, and at the same time providing aspiring entrepreneurs, a long-term multiple income kind of opportunities. Okay, so I hope that you like the video that I made, and show me some love and support by liking this video. And if you're watching this from my YouTube channels, right, please remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications. Okay, so one last look at the amazing gifts, right? Amazing gifts. Okay, and